Still no word this morning if President Obama will call for another hearing after a federal appeals court ruled against his immigration plans.
Tracy Potts is live for us in Washington this morning with the very latest. Good morning, Tracy.
Good morning. Yeah, this is a big deal. We've been waiting for months since this case first started in February, then went to the appeals court. Now the Fifth Circuit, a panel of 3 judges on that bench have said that they think that the president overstepped, as 26 states said when they took this to court. So now the question becomes, what is next? This is all about President Obama's plan to defer deportation for up to 5 million undocumented residents or people here in this country already. It was upheld by a Texas federal judge, and now in this 2-1 decision, the Fifth Circuit says, number one, that Texas effectively argued that it's going to cost them a lot of money to issue all those driver's licenses being mandated by the federal government's decision. Also, the judge who wrote the majority opinion said that this undercuts the authority of Congress, and Congress's intention was not to allow all of these undocumented people to stay in our country. It was announced back in November, the president's plan to allow so-called dreamers, children who were brought here illegally when they were kids, to stay in this country, and the parents of children who are legal in this country. Republican critics have said he was making an end run around Congress, that it was absolutely illegal what the president said, what he did or what he announced. It never really got underway because of the court challenges. As I noted, 26 states went to court to challenge him, Texas leading among them. The governor, the attorney general all called this a big win, but it may not be over.
And Tracy, so what is the next step if the White House decides that it does want to appeal this latest decision?
Sure. Well, they'll have to take it to the U.S. Supreme Court, and it's likely we will see that case here. Interesting thing about the timing, even though it took so long to get the original and then the appeals decisions, particularly this decision from the appeals court, it came just in time for the Supreme Court to possibly consider it on the docket for this fall. So it is possible this case could be argued next fall or into next spring before President Obama leaves office.
Interesting timing. Tracy Potts live for us. Thank you.